The Mumbai Suburban Railway network is divided into 8 parts, that is, Western, Central, Harbour, Thane to Vashi, Nerul to Uran, Metro Rail, Mono Rail and Indian Rail. As you can see in this map, there are various junctions connecting all of them with each other. Each railway station is divided into 2 sides, that is, East and West. Each side has a ticket counter. The price of ticket changes in accordance to the age of the passenger, the destination station, the class, that is first class or second class, type of journey, that is one way or return. You can even buy 1 month pass, 3 months pass, 1 year's pass, and etc. If you buy single, that is one way ticket, it is valid for 1 hour. Whereas if you buy a return ticket, your return journey is valid till 24 hours. You can use M indicator to know the exact fare of ticket, train schedule, suburban railway network map, news about Mumbai Railway and so on. This is the M indicator app. You can find schedule about local buses, express trains, metro, monorail and all that information over here. Even you can find the women's safety phone numbers, emergency contact, police station locator and all that stuff. Now for example, if you want to go from Thane to CSTM, you will click on local, then type where you are at. Now here we will type Thane. Now you can select the destination station. We want to go at CSTM, so I'll click on CSTM. Now the trains available right now are from 10:41 p.m. to CSTM. Now let's get in this. Now as you can see, this train is 10 minutes late, crossed Dombivli just now. You can even see the station at which it's not going to stop. Now it will stop at Thane at 10:41. Now if we see the list of trains available on the right hand side, you can see there is a PF. PF means the platform on which it will arrive. So with the help of this app you can check out the schedule of trains, which train will reach at which station, at what time. Even the cancellation of the trains are available on this app. Even you can check out the map over here. This is the map and you can see we are at Thane station and we want to go at CSTM, that is right here. Now if you want to go from Thane to Andheri, you can go till Ghatkopar, and from Ghatkopar you can get a metro to Andheri, or else from Thane you can go to Dadar and from Dadar you can go to Andheri. So this is how junctions work. You can even find a fare of a ticket. This is the fare of ticket from Thane to CSTM. Mumbai local train has 12 to 15 coach, out of which 3 coach are for ladies only. 1 ladies coach is at the start of train, 1 at the end and 1 in the middle. The first class is denoted by red or blue stripes. Luggage compartment and handicap compartment is also available in train. There are boards and sign on platform and even in train regarding various coaches and train details such as last stop of train, emergency contact number, time of arrival of train, slow or fast, station on which train will stop, and etc. There are even continuous announcements regarding the time of arrival of train, the platform on which train will arrive, cancellation of train if any, and cautions to be taken. So, having a mobile phone is not a necessity. In case of any inquiry, one can even visit the railway station office, which is mostly around the ticket counter. One police officer is appointed in each women coach for late night trains to ensure the safety of women in train. Ticket checkers are all around the railway station, so do not throw away your ticket before you exit the railway station. Overall, traveling in Mumbai local train is very cheap and very time saving.